Hello, this is Cindy. Today I will introduce this 1093 dump truck for you. This 4-wheel drive 1093 off-road dump truck, while having the function of unloading, it also has good off-road performance. 1093 4-drive dump truck. The cargo box is 3.8 meters long, 2.2 meters wide, and 0.9 meters high. When unloading, the rear left and the right sides of the cargo box can be opened. With its hydraulically lifting mechanism, you can easily and precisely empty bulk materials. The off-road performance of dump truck is reflected in the configuration of the vehicle. The truck has great driving power, powerful 4-wheel drive system, 170 horsepower Cummins engine, 9.00 R20 steel tires. Double-layer vehicle frame, reinforcing the load bearing the vehicle. This vehicle can also be modified into different colors according to customer demand. In conclusion, the 1093 is an excellent off-road dump truck. Contact us to experience the ultimate of off-road transport. See you next time. Bye-bye.